Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on this Dovety 9-in-1 electric spin brush. So I love that it charges with USB-C. You are going to want to charge it up first. It does come with the cable, but you don't get the wall adapter. So you will have to plug this into a wall adapter. Now it's got this little plug here. If you want to use it as a handheld scrubber, you can put this in, screw that in, and then hang it off it or something. But it also has the wands. That's what I'll be using it with. And one of the wands is adjustable. So let's put the wand together. Again, the one with the hook, you're going to screw into the one with the adjustment. Okay, then we're going to screw this into the actual electric spin brush. But I want to show you. Now to extend it, you're going to rotate it to the word on. And then I can move this in and out. It was a little hard at first. Now when I want the size I want, rotate it. And you'll feel it kind of lock into place, and now it's locked into place. So I can really extend it. And we'll check measurements of all this too. Now you're simply just going to screw this in. There is no electrical connection. All the battery is built into the device, and you charge it at the power button. Simply press the button once for low speed, or no, high speed, then low speed, then turn it off. It's very simple. You got a display here that lets you know the battery charge. And when you plug it in, it also tells you when it's fully charged. So let's just screw it in. And let's see how powerful it is. High, low. Let's go back to high. Oh, wow. I'm really pressing down with that. Turn it off. I've got the attachments are super easy. Just pull it. I like that they're held in their place, but they're easy to change also. All kinds of different attachments I can use. I like that these are Velcro. So say I want to put this on here. That's like a really soft one. All I do is put the attachment on. Now I can Velcro other things on here. That's a really soft one. But I'm mainly going to use this for scrubbing my shower. That's what I love to use it for. It's because of how far it can reach down. I do like having that little bit of a scrubber. Sometimes you got to get the really hard soap scum off. Length, with it all the way extended, it's right at 47 inches. Now with it collapsed, let's measure it. It's right at about 39 inches. There's nice handle grips. Again, I can use this as a handheld device. I can unscrew this and just have, that's a nice rubber grip there. Now I can't submerge this in water, but it is okay if it gets water kind of splashes up around it. It does come with a nice holder. This has got tape on it. You can tape it to the wall, slide this in, and you can put the arm inside there. Again, charger, lots of adapters. Let's go see how well it's going to clean. Okay, so let's clean my shower with this Dovety electric spin scrubber. We're going to first turn it on high. It's really powerful, and I don't have to bend over. I can clean this entire floor without having to bend over. And I'm really pressing down. It's got a nice battery display. There's low power, turn it off. I've got this nice bag that will let all the attachments air dry. Okay, let's change attachments. It's super easy. Pull it off, grab this. We're gonna push it on, line it up. All right, pushed on, turned on again. Now let's do the corners. Look how far I can reach. And I'm not having to bend over. I can go up the walls. I am really pushing down. Let's try it on low. So there's low speed. Not as much power. But high speed works great. And again, I can just unscrew the handle there. That's like a broom handle thread. So I could put even a longer reach on it. But now I've got this handheld scrubber. Got a lot of grip here. I could just scrub wherever I wanted to, using it as a handheld. I absolutely love this electric spin scrubber brush. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.